Hey, ladies and gentlemen, it's Thursday's Market Intel Brief here at Top Gun Options. Matthew Buckley, call sign Wiz. And man, day 6 of this rip your face off kind of recovery rally after we bounced off this 150-day moving average off the S&P 500. We've gone through the 20-day. We've gone through the 50-day. Now this rally is getting a little overbought here, and we can talk about that in a little bit. But hey, real quick. We knocked out a free brief this morning on the Lifetime Group, the Max Afterburner, the elite lifetime membership here at Top Gun Options. If you didn't get a chance to attend, head to go.topgunoptions.com/MAB for Max Afterburner -replay-page. Okay, and I'll put this in the description of the video on the YouTube page. Okay. 40% discount, folks. You get a 40% discount on a one-time payment. Now, if you'd like to break the payment up into month-to-month options, you can do that as well. Just click the button over here on the left, 12 monthly payments, and you're good. And then the one-time payment, you're going to get a nice 40% discount. So go ahead and click there. Hey, real quick, if you're not ready for lifetime or ready for to really push up your trading, on Monday, August 19th, we're going to do Trading the Death Star, Solo Amazon. It's our regular Solo Amazon brief, and we're going to open up the doors to some Solo Amazon folks. So head to go.topgunoptions.com/diversification. Okay? Take a look at Amazon, what we covered in our joint brief the other day. Amazon. Take a look at the Amazon recovery here, man. I said buy it with both hands. Let me open up the radar scope a little bit. Let's go with a 1-year chart here. Amazon was a steal down here. Look at that. Post earnings right about there, sold off, and what a huge bounce off of 155. Well, 150, 155, already up to almost 180, all the way back up to this 150-day, already through the 20-day moving average, through the 150-day moving average. Folks, this was free money to get into Amazon down here at 155. So, join me Monday morning at 10 a.m. if you want to check out our Solo Amazon portfolio. Go.topgunoptions.com/diversification, okay? And you can join me for free. Real quick, my podcast from last week just dropped. FDA decision on MDMA. Is it good or bad?
This is Pod
Maybe.
Popular.
The hell does that mean? Listen to the podcast. This one's quick. It's only 27 minutes. You can listen on Spotify, Stitcher, Apple Podcast, or you can go to the No Fallen Heroes YouTube channel. Make sure you click subscribe, folks, so you can get an alert when these come out. These other ones are really good. Jamie, sexually abused since she was a 3-year-old. She's a soldier's wife, healed with psychedelic assisted therapy, all of her traumas. And then obviously Senior Chief Napier, last week, that was a great one. He's a combat corpsman, Battle of Fallujah with the Marines. Man, really good podcast. So these are just some great content, man. Some feel-good content. Healing's available, folks. Healing's out there. I strongly recommend. And then listen to my take on the FDA decision on MDMA. I did it last week, folks, before the decision. So listen to what I had to say before the decision, okay? Now, let me get a hell yeah if you were in our joint brief Tuesday. Look at Chipotle. Look at this, folks. We got long Chipotle. Look at that. 10:30 Tuesday morning. What did we do 10:30 Tuesday morning? I said buy Chipotle with both hands. You are up. Look at that. At the high today, let me go down a little bit. About 13%. Chipotle is up 13% since we bought it during our live trade brief Tuesday morning. What happened? Well, unless you've been living on the other side of Mars since Tuesday, out of the blue, Starbucks hired the Chipotle CEO away in the middle of the night type of thing, became the Starbucks CEO. Chipotle stock imploded Tuesday morning. Look at that. At the low, it was down 12%. You know what I said? Buy it with both hands. Buy it. Folks, the math doesn't change. Chipotle still printing money. Just because the commanding officer left, a no-band change of command is what we call it, the skipper's gone. Do you think everybody in the leadership suite just looked around at each other and went, oh no, what do we do now? Or did the stores close? Or did the employees like hold a candle visual? It's so stupid. This was a gift. You're welcome. Anytime in your life when you see something like this happen, buy it. Now, this is when you see this exact scenario happening, meaning great CEO is hired away from a company that's doing great. You buy it. But if a CEO is like fired overnight out of the blue and the stock implodes, maybe pounded into the dirt. This is a unique scenario. I've seen this a handful of times in my trading career. Something like this happens. That's why it's been in the Wall Street Journal for like 5 days in a row, the story and the intrigue. And look at what we also talked about. Look at Starbucks. Starbucks has sucked. The stock has sucked year to date, 6 months, maybe 1 year. Look at this. Down and to the right. The stock sucks. So just like Chipotle exploded, imploded and then has rebounded, Starbucks has popped, has yet to fill the gap. So in Tuesday's live trade brief, I told you about this. I said, maybe look at getting bearish on Starbucks, but I said, go British or go Revolutionary War hero. Wait until you see the whites of Starbucks' eyes, meaning wait until it turns to fill this gap. It hasn't really turned to fill this gap. It made a little head fake here, went back up. Little head fake here, went back up. So didn't pull the trigger this week on bearish Starbucks trade yet. Still have tomorrow. We'll see what it does on Friday. Look at this. Chipotle bull put spread. Boom. Max potential profit. $1,900 in 2 days. This was a weekly trade that I put on. I think I put this on yesterday. There you go, folks. $1,900, $1,800, essentially in 2 days of trading. So free money this week, folks. I absolutely love doing this. This was fun. Remember, with the overall market here, let's just go back to SPX. 6-day straight up rally. Getting a little long in the tooth here, man. 7 days is usually insanity for like a 7-day rally. And the strength of these rallies is a lot. I think we're probably going to take a break here in a little bit. Maybe get a little rest to consolidate back to the 50-day moving average. Haven't seen it yet. We are just ripping through these moving averages higher. But just like this last massive tech rally, that people are like, oh my God, this will be the tech rally that doesn't end. Wrong. They always end. This let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row. Tomorrow's a Friday, folks. So I'm going to be sitting on my hands, maybe waiting to take another S&P sniper shot. Today I lagged into an iron butterfly on the S&P 500 to manage a bear call spread that was potentially underwater. So minimize my losses on that trade. And Tuesday, I placed a new trade on the Qs. That's already up $1,000 since Tuesday. Folks, we are having an absolute blast here. Join the lifetime membership. Look at this. Just in this portfolio, what is this? Weekly? Weekly portfolio. Just month to date so far. What, in 2 weeks? In 2 weeks, we're up $13,000. One more trade in this portfolio, and I've paid for your lifetime membership. Right there, folks. I mean, give me tomorrow. I'll probably have a sniper shot tomorrow and we'll be over $15,000 just in that portfolio. That's just one portfolio I manage, folks. Just in one portfolio, probably tomorrow. In this week, I've paid for a lifetime membership. Okay, men lie, trades don't. I just showed you the trades, and all the other trades, if you're in the Max Afterburner Lifetime Group, are in the trade alerts thread right here. Everything gets posted right in there. You get an app, you get access to an app. It's all in there, man. All my opening trades are in there, and then the closing. Yeah, nail biter, but close for max profit. Everything is in here, folks. Awesome stuff. Lead, follow, or get out of the way. I got to get out of the way because my daughter's cheering at their first high school football game tonight. Football is back, baby. Go Buffs. Can't wait to head out to Colorado and see my boy Jack. He goes back next week. And I'm going out to Aspen next week to fly our No Fallen Heroes Foundation fighter jet with some donors, okay? So have a great rest of your day. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. Fights on. Namaste. And Basi Basi. Whiz out.